drive, man. We got the Hellcat in the rain today, man. No traffic on this. No traction on this hoe. Only got the cat in the rain, though. You know, cats do not like rain, man. Bro, what the fuck? This nigga went reverse on our ass. I'm gonna let them go, too. Yeah, man, POV, so the scat gonna be getting fixed this week. I'm not doing no more spins till my scat fixed, though, so y'all got enough content for now, man, you know. We're gonna do some more Hellcat content and shit. Try to get some more shit jumping, man. We got some more meetups, you know. If y'all like the video Thursday I'm dropping, oof. Y'all like the video Thursday I'm dropping, and I threw 305s on the back of the cat, man, my bad. So POV drive in the rain in the Hellcat with the 305s, you know? Just, yeah. But nah, so on the way back to the crib, man, just had to get these tires swapped out. Luckily, I had bought tires a couple months ago, so I had the tires to replace. The tires I fucked up yesterday, which I already knew I had fucked them up. I said I was gonna dog them, but I burnt some 315s off my scat pack in the back, so I'm very satisfied with that. Like, yeah, I know something happened to my car, but still, like, I'm satisfied with what the outcome was of that. So, yeah. Of course, from all that spinning, niggas be needing wheel alignments and shit. So, I'm gonna take this bitch to the wheel alignment this week. I'm gonna take it to the dealer this week, and, you know. But yeah, so we just doing a POV drive, man. We in the rain, we in the cat. I'm not going in track, so you know. But yeah, we in the cat, man. SRT, you know. No stars, yeah. We're gonna get some stars, man. We're gonna get this shit jumping. My scat pack will be fixed within a couple days, man. Just bear with me, and then we'll get back to spinning. I'm just gonna make sure I got new tires when I spin. And this is gonna be a drop for the day, so whoever watch it, whoever don't. But it's a POV drive, just a Hellcat in the rain. Just a lot of people can't pull out Hellcat in the rain, you know what I'm saying? So, give y'all a good POV train track. Good POV. I'm not finna do no crazy shit. I'm not trying to cut up. I'm not finna, no sir. And it's tent fire, but I'm finna go get this shit taken off. It's too dark, it's 5%. So, yeah, the cops can pull me over at any time if they see this tent right now. So I'm not finna be riding like this. I'm finna go ahead and get this shit changed out, man. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. More content coming soon. Daily content coming soon, man. If y'all want to see more of the cat, let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see more of the scat, let me know what y'all want to see. But I spent both them hoes already, so. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We going up. Big SRT wheels.